Talk show host Wendy Williams revealing on air that she has been diagnosed with a condition called lymphedema, a swelling of the arms or legs. It's the latest personal issue she's facing and sharing publicly, and Dr. Jen is back to talk about it. So you're going to actually show us what this is. I'm going to show us
a little mini med school, because a lot of people don't know what lymphedema is, so it's good that we're talking about it. They also don't know what lymph and lymphatics. So this is mini med school. We have an acronym, NAVAL, and in the anatomy we have nerve for white, artery for red, vein is blue, and then lymphatics are yellow. This travels all over our body, circulates about 2 liters of fluid a day. When someone develops lymphedema, that fluid leaks out, and the swelling can be not just disfiguring and unsightly, incredibly painful. So this is a major issue.
What causes it?
Some people are born with it, but the vast majority, we call it secondary lymphedema. So it comes as a result of various things, trauma, surgery. You can see it with cancer. You can see it with obesity. And in terms of the treatment, it's really just compression devices like sleeves or stockings, or a compression machine that basically massages that fluid and helps place it back into the circulation. But it's really painful.
Yeah, I've heard that. And many people suffer from this type of condition, but it's not always because of this.
This is the key point, because people are going to hear swelling and say, oh, my feet are swollen. The key with lymphedema is usually it's one side of the body, not both. But of course, there are other conditions that can cause swelling very, very commonly that usually affects both arms or both legs: prolonged sitting, pregnancy, half our staff, by the way, salty diet, congestive heart failure, kidney disease. With age and obesity, you can see swelling. But when you hear a celebrity coming forward talking about something like this that can be unsightly, there can be a psychological, an emotional, a social component. Increasing awareness, so important.
And Wendy, she has been doing that. She has been increasing awareness about so many things.
She's amazing. She's making her mess her message.
Yes, she is. All right, Jen, thank you.
You bet.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.